Good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll see how we can fix Instagram Messenger update is not working on your phone. See here at top right, if you observe, there is old DM on my mobile. So this is not actually a bug or something like that. This is on my new phone. So I just installed Instagram. So it is showing old DM. How we can make this as Instagram Messenger new update? That is very simple. I'll show you. Just open Instagram DM and select any one of your friend or contact, for example this one. And what you need to do is simply try to swipe up so that vanish mode gets on. So if you observe, this vanish mode is from the messenger update. So if you try to add one of the features from messenger update, so I just swiped it on so that messenger this vanish mode gets turned on. Then what you need to do is you need to clear all the apps. In the sense, you need to just clear the Instagram app once from the background running app, and again open Instagram. And now this messenger update will work on your phone. Open this and see. Eventually that Instagram new messenger update will work on your phone. If this still doesn't work, just open Instagram and just clear it once again. Restart your phone and check whether it is working or not. Even if the all these tips doesn't work, just open Play Store and try to search Instagram here, and from here you just open. See, here there will be open button for you. Click on it and open. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.